Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. It does, it does.
Oh, yeah. Slippers.
Oh, slippers.
Yay.
And no cat.
Mark, can I have that knife?
This is nice. I live in slippers. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Well,
Oh my goodness.
Look how polished that is.
Dad.
Oh, this is fabulous. I love. We're gonna have to open it and see how it smells.
Dad, you're like a little boy.
yeah, I forgot what the.
It's got
all
just a
sweaty.
day of relax. It doesn't really say that. See, let me look up. Cucumber mint.
Yeah. That sounded like the best that there was, but I'm not sure what it is.
Oh, it sounds refreshing to me.
Okay.
Here,